back. So, with the permission of all my esteemed viewers, subscribers to my channel, participants in the Art of Investing program, I am so grateful to everybody who has been watching my channel, who has been a subscriber to my channel, to the Art of Investing program, to all elders in my group, Art of Investing group, in all the viewers. May I humbly give you my forecast for the week beginning 24th of August 2020. Last week, as I always give this full week forecast, I had mentioned that there would be some very positive days. Tuesday and Wednesday I had mentioned full days to be positive, and they turned out to be that way. There was a little selling on Wednesday at the end, but on the whole days were very positive. This I had read almost a week back. I had mentioned also a negative Thursday. Friday was a positive day. I had read it to be slightly less, but anyway, this week will be very different. 24th August onwards, there will not be straight full days of positivity or full days of negativity. It is going to be very, very different week, and there will be the index, Nifty and Sensex, will try to go further fast, but it will meet by lots of selling in many days. You will find that suddenly the market is going up but sharply falling down. So many bouts of falls you will see, as a result of which from Friday to Friday you look at, or rather even till Thursday, because this is very important week coming up. Options expiration, monthly options expiration, Nifty and Sensex will not be able to make much headway, in my opinion, in this forthcoming week. For example, on the 24th, which is a Monday, there will be various attempts made by Nifty and Sensex to rise. However, we could see various bouts of selling, like even in the open itself, 9:15 to 9:40, you could see selling. Another fall you could see around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And so both these days, both these periods I'm giving on 24th as per my analysis. Thereafter also the market will be making attempts to rise, but because of these falls, it may retrace most of the rise that may take place. 25th, which is a Tuesday, you will find a fall 9:15 to 9:40, and after which you will find a sharp rise. So very sharp rise can happen, but 10:25 you will find another fall. So hardly 45 minutes you'll find a good rise, 10:25 another fall, but 11 o'clock particularly on Tuesday 25th you will find another sharp fall that may take place. So be careful on that day. 26th, series of falls, Wednesday. 9:50 you could find a fall, then 11:30 another fall may take place, and 26th, if we may look forward, then 1:30 to 1:45, that time frame looks to be difficult. Even 12:30 to 1 looks difficult. So, and another sharp fall could be in the afternoon, 2:30 to 2:50, 3 o'clock, that time frame could be tough. So series, many attempts to rise. Every time you'll find sudden sharp fall and the market will go down. So not much rise can take place in such an environment. On the 27th, which is the next day, you will find that Thursday is a very good morning, because that's the options expiration day. The morning should be very nice, but 12:30 onwards you could see a fall, especially around 1:45 the fall will be much sharper. So be careful on the options expiration date. And good morning session will be, suddenly the trend will start changing after 12:30. 28th, which is Friday, whole day I think I look at it as a negative day. This is one day where I feel that most of the day will be negative. So other than that, each of the days I feel that the market will make attempts to rise, but it will fail. I've given you the various time periods also where you need to be careful. This time the sudden falls may take place in the market. Net this whole week can turn out that whatever attempts the market is making, it will lose momentum. The falls will more than compensate the rise, so it doesn't look like a great week. Nifty and Sensex I don't think will make much headway in this week, and in fact be very careful on Monday and Tuesday. Generally the markets, not only the negative turning points that I've mentioned you, even otherwise the markets can look rather negative on these days. So not a week like this past one where you had two very nice beautiful days, full day positive. No, in fact some days were negative also, but except Friday, which I am seeing as 28th of August, which I'm seeing a pretty much whole day negative. Other than that, almost every day you'll find that various attempts the market will make to rise, but various jolts, and I've specifically given you the time periods where the markets can fall quite dramatically. Now, whoever has not added or been a part of my channel, please feel free to do so. I would be happy to have you a part of the Art of Investing family. And those who would like to be a part of the program, Art of Investing program is what I run. We have a 2 weeks program, a 6 weeks and a 10 weeks. But if you would like to learn all the predictive techniques and all, then please, 2 weeks I don't think is sufficient. There are a lot of people who expect that in 2 weeks I can teach the whole moon. It is not going to be possible. You have to be a part of either the 6 weeks or the 10 weeks program. For me to be comfortably able, I cannot teach moon in 2 weeks. It's not possible. If you have faith and patience, please feel free to WhatsApp me on 9820861044. It's a very complex art if you have faith, patience. And with this week, we will also be introducing a new batch. Not only that, I will be personally interviewing each person whom we are admitting to the Art of Investing. So with this week onwards, because I want to make sure that a person has the patience and the faith before I register them for the Art of Investing program. So this week onwards, we'll be doing that. But we are starting a new batch on Monday. So who would like to be a part, please feel free to WhatsApp me on 9820861044. Be careful. There are very significant falls I see at various points of time, and particularly these periods that I mentioned to you, these periods will come to jolt the market. Market could fall various times during this particular week, beginning 24th of August 2020. So be careful. I would say this is not going to be such a great week because of many pressures, many counter currents which are operating. What are those currents, sir? You have to be a part of the Art of Investing program and be a part with faith and with patience. Only then you will be able to grasp all the techniques. So only those people who are very, very serious, who have faith and patience, please WhatsApp me on 9820861044. Again, those serious participants only please reply to me on this. And small costs involved, but only to defray our data costs that we have. And those who are willing to contribute and serious, please WhatsApp me. Thank you very much, and have a good week ahead. Before I conclude, lots of people I see using technical analysis. They are watching other people who are also giving forecasts and all that, which are so very confusing. If Nifty breaks this, then this. If Nifty goes above, then this. I am giving you specific time periods. This is a lot of effort and a lot of research. And always do your own homework as well before you invest your hard-earned money. At the same time, also remember that there could be a 4-5% error. That also do consider. But this is very hard done research. More than 30 years experience I'm bringing. So these periods should highlight the way the markets are going to move beginning 24th of August 2020. Okay, so have a great week ahead and look forward to having serious subscribers as a part of the Art of Investing program, who have got faith, who have got patience, who are simple and who are willing to learn from me the art of investing and predictions going forward. Only to them I can give this all techniques if you have these various good mental attributes. Happy investing. Once again, I seek the blessings. It's Ganesh Chaturthi. I seek the blessings of all the elders, all the viewers, all the subscribers, and with folded hands, I thank everybody for being a part of the Art of Investing family. Thank you. Bye bye.